Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of pinning a post on your Facebook profile. Pinning a post is a great way to showcase important updates or content at the top of your profile page. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your username in the left pane on the home page to enter your profile page. Step 3. Find the post that you want to pin on your profile. Step 4. Select the More menu, represented by the three-dot icon located on the top right of the post. Step 5. Click on Pin Post. The post will now be pinned and appear at the top of your profile page. Step 6. If you would like to unpin the post from the top, simply tap the More menu again and select Unpin Post. By pinning a post on your Facebook profile, you can ensure that important information or updates are easily visible to anyone who visits your profile. This is particularly useful for highlighting achievements, promotions, or sharing significant news with your friends and connections. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to pin a post on your Facebook profile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.